Hello everyone. Today we are solving the two-sum problem from LeetCode. As everyone knows, this is one of the most easiest problem in LeetCode. So there are hundreds of ways to solve this problem uniquely. So I'm going to try a new approach which I thought I could do. So let's try if I could do it. So my plan is like I'm going to do a loop. So with them before, what I did is like two for loop to both uh, check it two time. So this was a little bit I mean time consuming and I'm not sure quite, but it also should be like space consuming. I don't have much idea about it, so I can't tell. But let's try a different approach. So what I'm going to do is like a loop. We are going to like basic starter, like size of nouns. Uh, Before we start, let me explain you how what this problem is actually. So the problem is like you are given an array of some number and a target. So you have to like find first two number from this array which combine whose sum will be like the target. So let's say in our case the 2 and 7 will be 9. So we will just return the id of 2 and 7, which is 0 and 1, and we can return it in any order. So we can like return it 0 and 1 and 0. And for this one, like example, you can see the target is like 6, and by adding 2 and 3 is 5. So this doesn't work. So adding 3 and 4 is like 7, but adding 2 and 4 is 6. So our result will be the index 1 2, and index and 4 index 2. So this is like same for everyone. Also there is okay, I have to say something, but we'll like figure out in the process. So let's start. So this is like a basic for loop to like iterate this nums array. So what I'm going to do is like keep the current iterated index, iterated value in variable. So which will be like num or num. Current num will be like nums dollar. So this is the current num, and we are like going to make the current index of this nums array to null. So let me show you what I'm like telling. So this will be null. So the integer must have like integers. So this null will like I mean we are like working on this. If we are in this index for iteration, so we are like we're going to do an operation in this items, ignoring this. So what I'm going to do is like uh, as there is two numbers to like sum, so what we have to do is like we have the first number. So if this is the answer, this current iterated number is the answer. So the first number is this one, and the second number will be 9 minus this one. So let me uh, show you. So if the first number is this one, so the second number will be like second number will be 9. Target. I was talking 9 because of this demo. This example have the target of 9. That's why. So 9 minus car num current number. So if in this iteration this is 2. So the first number is if the first number is 2 and there is a there is a number exist in there is another number exist in this array, that will like sum of those to the target. So to find out this, we have to like subtract the current number from the target. So the second number will be this, and if this exists in the array, we just simply return the like this, like return array like first number and second number. First number mean current num, and second number. This will be the answer if this will be the answer if the second number exists in the array. So I'm going to simply like search in array or array search. I'm like going with array search, so we can like return the second number index to. So let's say array search. First is will be the like which item we are searching for. So this is the second number. We are searching for second number from nums. So if this happens, actually let me do this. So keeping it in another variable so we can reuse it. So second num index. So how array search work is like if it find the second number from nums, it will just like return the index, and if it doesn't, it will return -1. So -1 in with -1 is like kind of false value. So if we say like if second num index, so the if only work if it's true. I mean it's a valid index, not -1. So if it finds something from like this, it will like uh, go to this if block, so we can like simply return the thing we copied before, like this one. So this would be the answer. But if it doesn't, if it cannot find after the complete loop, we can just return uh, I don't know how to return if it doesn't find anything. Let's see. If I run this code, it should, I mean, okay, there is error. There is syntax error. So this would be like comma, colon. Let's see. So these are like wrong answers. Output is 27. So we have to like, I mean, print the index, not the numbers. So in this case, we are going to like this is will be the second now index, and this is the I, because this is the index of the current iteration. So if I now run the code, it should like except for all of those. Wait, I forgot to put comma here. No problem. So you can see like all of three question and the three test cases are passed. Let's see if it accept our solution or not. So there is something, I mean, it did not accept this solution. So our target is 0. So our target is 0 and like 0. So in here, the second number will be target minus current number. So target is 0 minus current number will be uh, like in this case it's 0. So it will be like 0. Second number will be 0, and it will, if it search for 0, what it's returning. Let's see. Second index. This code is for debugging. Wait, what? Okay. So the rule of this, I mean, judge, I have to return an array. So for the case 4, which is I like use this, it's returning 0. and output 0. So it's like finding, I mean, I think this like getting this one like null value to like a zero value. So this is why it's happening. So instead of using null here, we can like use a string like false, maybe like not a number, like none. So this is like kind of flag that is not a number. I'm not sure, like guess we have something like this have in JavaScript. So now you can see the second index is like 3. So which we want 0 and 3. So it should have worked now. So if you don't understand what I did is like before I used null in here. So 0 is also 0 null, and this 0 null, any negative number are all false value. So array search is like simply get null as 0. So it like return 0 0, which we don't want. So instead of null, we just use an, or you can use anything here, because the jars are like given array of, I mean, numbers, so it doesn't matter. But it is an, but it's a true value. I mean, it's not a false value. It's like a true value in Boolean. So like it's ignoring this while searching for 0. So it should work now. Let's see. Let's do a submit. So it's like accepted for all those 4 cases. Let's submit this. I hope it will. Oh, yes, it's accepted, and wow, I think I have done it wrong, because before in before when I did this with like 2 for loop, it was like 84 ms maybe. I don't remember. So I can check it from here. Like before it was like 86 ms. So I have like done it wrong. Whatever, we just solved it in a different approach, and it's working. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. And like this video if you like it. Thank you.